Sorry, guys. First point. It is hot. It is hot. This is that is so fail. That is way ridiculous. God no, this was really good. One again. Let's do this.
Google Play cards, PayPal cards, any card you want. Once again, all you guys have to do is download their apps, use it for a minute or two, and you can do their surveys.
Oh my God!
Once again, it may take up to 70.
I gotta do this good start. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? God. I got first place. Wow. Are you kidding me? Goes against Guayu. No, no. This is hard. Mattress. Let's go. How was the players game? No, I'm looking back to a game. I know what Sweetie is not. Nobody is doing this dance. You know it's weird dance. Look, he's at you. Dude, he's at you. Just the first one now. This is just a premium. What's that? Cool. Yes, yes. Let's do this. Oh my God. Come on. That's it. That's it. That's
On his PS3 all day. He's like trying to break his record for I don't even know what game it is, but he's on it all day. I'm gonna screw with him and try and get him off. But... Hey, dude. What game are you playing? Zombies.
What map? What? Yeah. I'm calling you for like 10 minutes. What are you doing? Playing this? PS3 again? Yes. Hey, you burned up all the data on the phone. I didn't. Yeah, you did. And I've been telling. No, I can track all the phones, and I know damn well you did it. I did it. Yeah, 85% of all the data was last month, and we barely went over. This time we're over. We got 10 days left to go. Give me the phone.
I did not burn it up.
Give me the phone.
No. I did not burn it.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Give me the phone.
I didn't burn it up.
Yeah, you did. No, you're not getting it. I already told you. You burn it up, you're done. No, sit down. There.
Day is gone. You're done. Next time, day is going to that. I just said.
This is gone. You're done. Next time, this is going through that. Understand? Do ya?
Yes.
Okay, they were like,
Ah. No, you're not getting it. No, you're not getting it. Come on! Do you see my money TV? You money? Bring it. I'll tell you. Do you see my money TV? That's it.
PS3 again? Hey, you burned up all the data on the phone.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. And I've been telling. No, I can track all the phones, and I know damn well you did it.
I did it.
Yeah, 85% of all the data was just you. Give me the phone.
No.
Yes, give me the phone.
No.
I told you burned it up again. You burned it up last month, and we barely went over. This time we're over.
I
We
just
got 10
really
days left to
destination
go.
is
Give me
not
the
good
phone.
at
I
going.
did not burn it up.
Give me the phone.
No. I did not burn it.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Give me the phone.
First place.
I didn't burn it up.
Yeah, you did. No, you're not getting it. I already told you. You burn it up, you're done. No, sit down. There.
oh my.
This is gone. You're done. Next time, this is going through that. Understand?
Come on. Second place again. This much money.
Next time, this is going through that. Understand?
Are you serious right now? Are you kidding me?
Do ya?
Are you kidding me right now? Get one right now, you got it. Stream coins. Excuse me, this one do me or do what? Oh my gosh. Oh. This will play a game.
Yeah.
So, second voice, now you're doing me. And I got your phone. First voice, now you're doing me. And now I got your phone. Now you're doing me. Now I got your phone. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, fine. Oh my god.
Fantastic reusable
We're testing the
diapers.
chords.
Aren't they the cutest? And last but not least, Shimmerwood Forest famous spinach Joe. Sammy, whatever you do, hang on to the jelly. Quick! Phew! Thanks, Glow Pixies.
It is
That was
hard.
a close one. Lulu, I think you need these. Would you look at this table? So many amazing new foods for the babies to try. And don't
Oh my
forget
god,
the
this
most
stupid
delicious
game
part,
getting no good.
the spinach Jello Mountain. Bet you babies can't wait to try that, huh? Oh, it's so delicious. That's it, Tilly. See? I told you you'd like
That was really much good.
supposed to be hot pink. Babies.
It is hard.
Can't we ever have a nice meal without making a huge mess?
Getting on this to judge up.
Wow. That is delicious. Oh, come on, babies. It's fun to try new
Run
things.
again.
You'll want to eat them all once you've tried them. I promise.
First place.
Really? A snort?
Enjoy your quality
Question mark.
while improving your health and wellness. Built
Epic.
luxurious, elegant.
Cool. You love blueberries, Teo. Here, just try.
Let's try again. Why you trying to clicker? Because it's West people. Why you trying to pass me? Please can just take over his wife.
Subscribe, or else a spider will enter your ear.
All night in class. See.
Like and subscribe. Be a part of the
It's good to be grounded. I don't with this phone. I don't really tell Jetski to. It's so stupid. He is so much trouble.
grounded from
What did the rabbits?
the mom is real.
I told you myself. It's grounded. He was so grounded.
Really? I am so sorry.
I would just call your teacher.
I know. We're almost done school for the year. We only have one more day. Okay, did he get in trouble?
I would just call your teacher.
Don't you worry. He's grounded. He is so grounded. I know.
I don't even give myself.
Okay. Thank you so much for calling me. Don't you worry.
Stupid.
I am just so
His
upset with
trouble
this
is going to be grounded. I done with his phone.
I will talk to him as soon as I get off the phone. Yes.
I saw stupid.
Okay.
What would the rabbits?
I cannot believe this kid with the
Bro,
Fortnite.
what?
Okay, so I'm gonna have to go wake him up. He's sleeping. He's in trouble. He's going to be grounded, and I'm done with this Fortnite. I'm taking everything away from him. He's in so much trouble.
What would the rabbits?
This point, you can see how upset his mom is. She just said he's grounded.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you play Fortnite?
He plays Fortnite too much. He's probably running up a credit card.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you play Fortnite?
School. So at this point, it's not looking good for this kid. And
Why'd you do that? Why'd you play Fortnite?
everything. And trust me, taking
Got me
away
twist.
a game like Fortnite, especially from these kids these days, that's like the most popular game.
Is
that
it
all
trouble?
these
It's
kids
good to be
love.
grounded.
It's really-
Yes!
My whole